It's been 2 years since I did our last balcony makeover, and here I am doing another one. I started off first by cleaning out the balcony. I had to get rid of our old balcony sofa and also some of the plant boxes that I had. There's one particular plant box that I had that didn't have proper drainage, and my roses kept on dying, so I had to switch that out. But first of all, the first thing that I switched out was our balcony sofa. I had to get rid of the old one that I had. The one that I had before was a DIY that I did 2 years ago. I did everything from scratch, the sofa itself and also the cushions, but switched it out and replaced it with the Namaro outdoor chairs. I got two for $380, including the cushions. I wanted the whole set, the whole situation. I didn't want to go on and start getting the chairs and then doing DIY. The only thing DIY I was going to do was only the balcony screen, privacy screen, and that was it. So two Namaro chairs for $380, and then I switched out our plants, that is our flowers. I have hydrangeas on my balcony, and they grow. They come every year, they come back, and I'm super proud of that. So I switched it out and asked people on my at my Instagram to choose between two pots. I wanted two terracotta pots, and they were both different. So I went on and asked people to help me out pick up the best pot. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please go on and follow me on Instagram. So I decided to pick the one people voted for, and I switched out my hydrangeas from one pot to another so that it could help with the growth of the roots and all stuff. You all plant moms and dads know that. I don't know anything about that. I just know that with time you need to switch out the pots. So I switched out the pots and planted the hydrangeas in new terracotta pots. I also switched out our rug. I love layering rugs. The rug that I had before here was, like I said, 2 years old. So I got the tip head as well from IKEA, and I also got the jute rug, which is from H&M Home. I love the tip head rug because it's washable, so you can be out here, people will step on it, it's fine, no problem. I just throw it in the washer and it's good to go. As for the jute rug, I wouldn't say it's washable, but at least it gives that cozy look out here. Fine, it's just layering both rugs, which also give it a cozy look, but also the jutes and the tip head layered together looks super cozy. This balcony makeover turned out better than I expected. It's more of a conversation space than it was before. I can come out here and read a book, enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. And as for the privacy screen, if you haven't watched that video, check the description box down below. There's a link, and remember to like, comment, and most of all subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.